Nikola Tesla by Sean Patrick. Audiobook summary and review by Story Shots. You cannot optimize for money and mastery simultaneously. Nikola Tesla died broke in a New York hotel room despite inventing the electrical systems that power the modern world. That is the thesis of Nikola Tesla. Imagination and the Man That Invented the 20th Century by Sean Patrick. Tesla's problem wasn't lack of genius, it was that he optimized for the wrong thing. Work like your brain is a muscle you're training to failure. Tesla worked 18-hour days for decades, not because he loved his job, because he treated mental effort like physical training. He believed the brain grew stronger only under extreme sustained load. No weekends, no vacations, for years at a time. The moments you want to quit a difficult problem are the only moments your brain is actually adapting. You are not optimizing for comfort. You are optimizing for the sensation of your brain reorganizing itself under pressure. The progressive development of man is vitally dependent on invention. It is the most important product of his creative brain. That creative brain requires prolonged strain that feels unreasonable. Visualization isn't meditation, it's engineering. Tesla could build and test entire machines in his mind before touching a single tool. He would imagine a turbine, run it for weeks in his head, then disassemble it mentally to check for wear patterns. The imaginary wear matched the real wear when he finally built the physical version. This wasn't a mystical gift. It was a trained skill. Tesla used visualization as a literal design process. Every component specified, every dimension exact. He could solve engineering problems other inventors needed laboratories to test. My method is different. I do not rush into actual work. When I get an idea, I start at once building it up in my imagination. The precision matters more than the meditation. You can't optimize for money and mastery simultaneously. Tesla sold his AC motor patents to George Westinghouse for $216,000 in 1885. Within years, those patents were worth hundreds of millions. He later tore up a royalty contract worth $12 million because Westinghouse's company was struggling and Tesla valued the mission over the payment. He died with $2,000 to his name. Thomas Edison, a far less capable inventor, died a multimillionaire. The difference? Edison optimized for business. Tesla optimized for perfection. Every hour spent refining your craft beyond what the market rewards is an hour you are not building wealth. Every compromise you make for commercial viability is a step away from mastery. You will make this choice hundreds of times in your career. Most people pretend they can have both. They cannot. The present is theirs. The future for which I really worked is mine. If this changed how you think about the trade-offs between craft and commerce, someone in your life probably needs to hear it too. Final summary. This summary of Nikola Tesla threads together extreme sustained effort, precise mental modeling, and the financial cost of perfectionism into a single argument. Mastery is the result of choices that look insane from the outside. But Patrick also reveals how Tesla's daily routines actually structured his 18-hour days, why his visualization method failed him in his later years, and what modern neuroscience says about his claim that mental strain grows the brain. Anyone choosing between going deeper into their craft or building a more profitable business needs to read this. We are putting together the full summary of Nikola Tesla by Sean Patrick right now, with a visual infographic and animated video. You can follow the book in the Story Shots app to get it the moment it is ready.